We thank God for giving us a win, and I thank my teammates for encouraging each other to play together, because togetherness is always, and discipline is always the perfect thing.
Actually, they are supporting direct the talent that actually normally went on top. And this time around, we have got scouters, the scouters that were trained, and those scouters are responsible for tapping the talent that may not be noticed during school games and also during our youth teams.